In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your routing number on Cash App so you can use it for direct deposits, linking your bank, or other banking purposes. The first thing you need to know is that you must have a Cash App card to access your routing number. If you don't have a card, you won't be able to see this information, so make sure to order your Cash App debit card first. Once you have your card, open the Cash App on your phone and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home screen. Look at the bottom left corner of the app. Depending on your account, you'll either see your current balance displayed or a small bank icon. Tap on either the balance or the bank icon, and it will take you to the banking section of Cash App. Here, you'll see your routing number along with your account number. For security reasons, the account number may appear partially hidden with dots, but your routing number should be visible. To reveal your full routing number, tap directly on the number. Cash App will then display the complete routing number, and you can even copy it to paste wherever needed. This is especially useful for setting up direct deposits from your employer, adding funds from another bank account, or linking Cash App to other financial services. Remember, without the Cash App card, this section will not show your routing number. So if you're planning to use your Cash App for payroll deposits or any bank transfers, make sure the card is activated and linked to your account. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to locate your Cash App routing number quickly and securely, giving you full access to use your Cash App funds with ease and convenience.